Hello, welcome. We are LHPU Training Solutions. I'm John, this is Sarah. We're going to talk to you a little bit about the importance of tailoring a resume and how that can help you in your job search. One of the most important aspects of our training, I believe, is the soft skills practice as well as interview prep that we give our candidates to help them be prepared and stand out in the industry when they get an opportunity. Sarah, could you talk a little bit about the points that we help them when they're tailoring a resume?
Yes, so we have several soft skills sessions built into the training curriculum, so it's not just all the technical training that you receive. We'll help you build your resume, and we'll talk about what makes the best resume and how to tailor a resume to a job description that you see that you feel you are a fit for. So essentially just matching up the skills that you see in the job description and the skills that you truly have, and then making sure you can pull those skills to the forefront of your resume and get them into what we call the prime real estate of the resume. So your summary should have strong mentions to the job description. Your skill sets that you have, if you have a skill section, those skills that are relevant to the job description should be listed first. Then another very easy way to tailor a resume is if your project experience is stronger suited to the job description, you can pull that up in the resume space and then flip-flop your work experience, or vice versa. You just want to think of ways that you can truly make it easy for a resume reviewer to see, yes, this candidate has a strong skill set that matches this job description. I'm going to give them a call.
So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, you can visit www.lhpu.com and contact us to learn more about LHPU and our training solutions.